don't know which is it. A kid in the candy store or a kid on Christmas Day. But I feel like one of them. YouTube, welcome back to my channel, y'all. I'm pretty sure y'all saw the thumbnail, but there it is, occupying my bed right now. But let me start this video off by saying a big shout out to Rainy's Chrome Shop for making this happen. I believe it was back in November. Rainy sent me these half fenders, and here we are in February, just getting around to it. But today's a big day. I'm about to head up to Concord right now. So I decided to bobtail home, and I was able to squeeze them through the side door back there, and they fit pretty easy on my bed. So let's get on up to Concord, and now we're about to start the transformation of this truck. Let's go. So it should be on my left in about a quarter mile or so. Let's see, 290, CTR 290. There it is right there. See that big old sign? CTR renewal, let's go. 290 right here, y'all. I'm excited, man, I'm excited. Let's go. Let's get these half fenders on there, man. Got a little dip right here, gotta be careful with the bumper. But I guess they do a little of everything over here. Paint jobs. They do it all. This machine right here looks freshly painted. It's looking real nice too. Freshly painted in black. Y'all can't see it, but that bad boy is glossy. It's blinging, it's shining. But I guess I could back up just a little in case somebody gotta get by right here. All right, YouTube. Here's what y'all been waiting on. The wait is over. I know y'all see it. The truck is real dirty right now. I'm about to give it a nice wash. I still have the protective plastic on there. Once I'm done, I'm gonna peel it off. And I'm gonna polish my tanks, polish my wheels. We're gonna get it looking right. So let's go, y'all. Wash day. This towel's the real deal, y'all. I have a link to it on my TikTok if y'all want to grab one. And it is soaking wet right now, and it's still drying. If you ain't got one of these, man, go get you one. Yeah, she's cleaned up, y'all. Polished my wheels, polished my stacks, my fuel tanks. Yeah, Big Pete is looking real clean right now. And now comes a dreadful moment. It's time to peel this plastic off, y'all. I was out here till about midnight last night. When I got home, it was a little after 12:30. I was out here polishing my tanks, polishing my wheels, but I got it done. Yes, sir. Big shout out to my sponsor, Rainey's, for making this happen, man. It's crazy how something as simple as some fenders could transform your truck. What y'all think? If y'all ain't dropping a fire emoji, something's wrong with you. I don't know which is it. A kid in the candy store or a kid on Christmas Day, but I feel like one of them. Before I close out this video, I'm gonna give y'all a little story time. And for some folks out there, this might be a little motivation, especially my trucking content creators out there. But I'm gonna give y'all a little story on these half fenders. Over the past 4, maybe 5 years, I probably went on Rainey's website on 3 separate occasions, and I added these fenders right here to my shopping cart. On 2 separate occasions, as I was ready to check out, just before I put in my credit card number, I hit the back button. And here we are, 4 or 5 years later, the same half fenders that I've always wanted right here on my truck for free. This is not a bragging moment, but I'm just here to remind you, when you put God first, you put in the work, everything that you desire will be given unto you. So once again, to my sponsor, Rainey's, I can't thank y'all enough. I appreciate these half fenders, man. And by the way, y'all, we're just getting started. I've got quite a few projects lined up with Rainey's, and I'll keep y'all posted. And I guess it wouldn't be a bad idea to get a little closer and give y'all the specs on these fenders. So these are the 80-inch half fenders by Hogebuilt. Blind mount, obviously. The mount is on the inside. As for me, I don't like the fenders with the external mount. I think the blind mount just gives it a cleaner look. And the second mount is right here in the back. Same on the other side. Shout out to Rainey's for these lights also. That's from Rainey's right there too, y'all. And I've got these fenders sitting an inch from the top of my tires. So when you install these fenders, you gotta dump the suspension. A lot of guys make that mistake. They don't dump the suspension. You gotta dump the air out of your suspension before you mount these. It's sitting real low right now because I've got the suspension dumped. But overall, it's just a clean look, man. And by the way, y'all could stop teasing me about the deck plate. I'm probably gonna put on the deck plate next month. I'm also gonna be putting the air ride up front. I'm gonna be doing a collaboration with a big company. Obviously, this video is about Rainey's, so we ain't gonna talk about other companies and other collaborations right now. But let me know what y'all think, how you guys like the fenders. Drop some emojis. Do y'all like them? Do y'all not like them? Drop some emojis, let me know. And this is what you call a full circle moment. The last time I shopped at Rainey's a few years ago, this is long before I started creating content. This was a part of my purchase right here. This battery box, the step on the passenger side, the shifter knob right here. Not the shifter, but the shifter knob that y'all see in all my videos. That's from Rainey's. This knob right here, my steering wheel, that's also from Rainey's. But to all my subs, all my viewers, everybody who supports the content, appreciate y'all. Keep supporting the channel. Like these videos, share these videos. If you're not subscribed to the channel, what you waiting on? Subscribe to the channel, show some love. Y'all know the drill. Until the next one, we out of here. Peace out, y'all.